Hey, welcome back everyone. In this lecture, I'm going to show you what exactly is Vesta Control Panel File Manager plugin, and I will migrate my old WordPress website. So, Derek Newton, who designed our WordPress course, the Proficient School, he designed our website, and today we will be migrating that website from the old server to the new server, which we have just created in this course. Now, let's go ahead and log in. So here it is. And I would like to show you that if you just go ahead and search for this right here, and I think there are some videos how to activate it for free, but I would really appreciate if you guys can purchase that plugin to support the developer team of Vesta, because that plugin is worth. Now, I am not getting any money from anyone for advertising this thing. I'm not at all advertising this thing. These are my personal thoughts, and as an expert, I would say that this is very great. This is a Softlicious installer, which is an app installer. One-click install of WordPress and all if you want to buy that. There is 1 month free trial, by the way, if you want to try that. There is the file manager right here, and this is going to cost you $3 per month or $50 for a lifetime, and this is worth buying. So I am again not advertising them. It's just, you can say, my personal opinion and thoughts. There is also a SFTPCH root plugin, and now I have already purchased this plugin and I have a multi-user license, so I'm going to add one of my license to the Proficient School as a token of remember and memory, because they are helping me to make this course. You have to go to configure, and here you will find Vesta Control Panel plugins. This is the place where you enable or disable your plugins. So file manager, yes, and here I'm going to enter my license key. So I'm just gonna keep it like this. I don't want to show my license key, and I just pasted that. Okay, and let's go ahead and click on save. Okay, so we just saved our key and it is activated. You see license activated, and then file manager is right here, and that is how we get the file manager. And this file manager, it saves a lot of time. It's a great security plugin as well, instead of FTP and all. So here you will find your domain name, and here is the public HTML, and here are the index files. So I'm gonna delete them. That is how you trash them. And we are going to upload 2 files. So these are the 2 files, and what these are. In WordPress, you can go to plugins, add new, and you can add duplicator plugin. With duplicator, you can create a backup, and that will give you 2 files, these files. And then once you create a new server and like that, you can just go ahead and upload these. Now, if you are not using WordPress, I just wanted to show you like how to migrate a WordPress from a cPanel or another panel to the Vesta Control Panel, because this is a very demanded hot topic which most of the students are asking, and that is why I am teaching you right now. So if you're not interested in this one, please feel free to skip it right now. So it's gonna take a lot of time. Let's wait for it. Okay, so here we have two files, and sometimes it show you an error that error file saving the file. That's a very normal error. Actually, it saves the file but still gives the error, so just ignore that error if you get that. uh, I will talk about these two files, that how we got that in a moment, and before that we are going to restore our website, and then I will talk about that. So here we will rename it as installer.php, right? There is also an inbuilt file editor. If you click on this file and you allow the pop-up, I think this one, okay, I think this is the last one, right? If you allow that, you will see an inbuilt file editor as well. That saves a lot of time. So you can edit things and you can save that. I'll just close it up now. Okay. Let's go ahead and restore our site. So I'm just going to show you. Go to your website. Okay, it says 404. Okay. Let's go to the panel and check why there is the error. Look in panel actually. So in web here we have edit, and the template is default. That's fine. Proxy is fine. Okay, everything looks fine. So there should not be an error, but it is still giving it. proficientschool.com/installer. Okay, it gives an error. Okay, it is installer.php, so my mistake out there. And now it works. It's showing some warning here, but that's fine. You can just say I agree and click on next. And here it is asking for the database. So in this lecture I will also cover the database for you. Go to DB and create a database, and that is how we create it. So I like to add the name as main and user as school, maybe, and password I will just generate it. So yeah, type is MySQL. Host is going to be localhost. Character set is, that's fine. Let's click on add. Let's paste the password here. Database, we will add admin_main. User is admin_school, and let's test the connection. Okay, it says success. Now let's go ahead and click on next. And yes. Okay, it'll say that this is the URL and this is the path, and yeah, there are some options. You can enable or disable plugins. You can enforce SSL if you want. There are other options as let's just add a new account here. This is case school, and I'm just gonna add a password here very fast. Okay, that doesn't work. Hold on. I think that's fair. And I'm just gonna click on next. And that's all. Let's go to site login. And let's try to log in user the account we just created. So here it is. Let's click on login. Yeah, that is how you just log in into your WordPress. There are some updates and plugins which need activation. So it's just the normal WordPress. I'm just going to dismiss this. Remove the installation files now. That's done. And now in store data you have that's done. The rebuild the cache. That's the thing you need to do. Now go to settings, permalinks, and here click on whatever permalinks you like. I like the post name. Click on save changes, and that's done as well. Now you want to see the demo? Let's see it. Proficientschool.com, and this is the Proficient School running on its own server, right? That is how it works. That is how you just create your own server. That is how you add your own database and you migrate a WordPress. And like, if you want to talk about the email, it's very simple. You can just go here in your email. You can create your email account. Here is an ad account. You can create your email accounts very easily. It's just like you create a database. If you need the PHPMyAdmin, that is right here. proficientschool.com/phpmyadmin, right? And now I just want to talk about, if you want to migrate your website, how do you generate those two files which we used for migration? Now if I just refresh this page, you will find the whole website now. Okay. To generate those files, you go to plugin, you click on add new, you search for the duplicator. That's what we prefer to use. So duplicator, and there's the duplicator plugin. You click on install and activate, and then you go to duplicator. You click on create new packages. You click on next here and scan everything, and it'll create the package as well for you. And that is how you create those packages. So right here you can just click on build, and you have to accept that and click on build, and it'll give you two files that you can download and restore or migrate your website like this. So that is how you migrate. That is how the Asta control panel works. You have the graphs, you have the IP addresses, packages and all. This is a very clean interface right here.